Hi, this is Scott, the Tall Woodworker. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to all of you for helping me get to 100 subscribers in just 10 months of my channel being open. Stick around because I have a small bonus for those of you who have helped to get me here. Roll that new intro. So in August of 2020, I decided to start this channel to document my wood turning and woodworking projects. I had no idea how it would turn out or if I would even like putting myself in front of a camera like this. Now it's July 2021 and I'm excited to announce that I have hit the 100 subscriber mark. So what does that mean? Well, not too much honestly, but I'm still really excited about it. So as you saw in the intro, I had a designer create a new logo for my channel, for my website, and everything else like that. I think they did a really good job, and so I'm going to be using that logo instead of the wood font logo that I've been using for the past 10 months. I kind of like the new logo a lot better. Finally, I know I've been slacking on updating my Etsy store, so I just uploaded several new items and they're up for sale right now. Everything from pens to bowls and even those new chaotic end grain cutting boards. Those are up there for sale as well. And just for those of you watching, like literally watching this exact moment, I have decided to create a coupon code for you that I'll post here or here or here, somewhere like that. And it'll give you 10% off of anything you order on my store until July 25th. I'm not going to put this code in the description, and please don't make a comment with the code in there. I really want this to just be special for you, those of you who are watching my videos all the way to the end. So again, I thank those of you who have subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Help me grow this channel out. Getting 100 subscribers in less than a year, you know what? I have no idea if that's good or bad, but for a personal goal, I'm super happy with the fact that I got to here in less than 1 year. So until next time, thanks for coming to my shop. I just wanted to give a big shout out to all my subscribers for helping me get to 100 subscribers. Wow, that's redundant.